Light is everywhere. Always present, but often overlooked. At Epishine, we see its power. In our facility in Sweden, we print thin indoor solar cells using our unique roll-to-roll process. A fast, precise, and highly efficient way of manufacturing. Just 1 gram of active material can produce several square meters of solar cells. From connected devices and simple trackers to everyday electronics, our technology captures indoor light and turns it into continuous power, quietly replacing batteries and reducing environmental impact. Printed in our facility in Sweden. Scalable by design.